Welcome to AUVSI 2018. I'm Dave Henderson with Topcon Positioning Systems. I'm the Director of Geospatial. Just a few things we have in the booth here today is the Intel products that are hardware-driven products for UAVs, the Sirius Pro, which is RTK-driven fixed-wing plane. We've also got the Intel Falcon 8 product that is good for mapping and inspection purposes. Some of the announcements Intel has made here at the shows, we'll have 3 new payloads to go with the Falcon 8 this year. We've got 2 additional that have already been with the unit, so we've got some great upgrades coming from a hardware standpoint. Also, from a standpoint of software, they've announced mission control software, which will be out in the next quarter, and also Intel Insight, which is more of an analytic type package for inspection. So with that all said, we also have Magnet Collage, one of the products we've come out with, so we can add diverse data sets from mobile LiDAR mapping, terrestrial mapping, and UAV. So we want to be able to put all those data sets together for the end user and have them be able to interoperability with the data and create deliverables for that. One last thing we have, we're known very big in our technology with boards, and today we have all the boards that we make for OEM purposes so that we can integrate that particular technology into a variety of applications and platforms.